Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are drawing something simple, peaceful and super beautiful. Yes, we are drawing a beautiful bird with rectangle art. Don't worry if you are a beginner. This bird loves easy patterns and calm hands. With simple lines, tiny shapes and little patience, we will turn plain outlines into a pattern with filled flying beauty. So relax your mind, hold your pen gently, and let your creativity fly freely with me. Yeah. Okay, guys, do you wanna hear a little story about this cute bird? This rectangle bird lives in a quiet garden. It does not sing loudly, it sings with pattern and peace. Whenever someone feels stressed, this bird spreads its own wings and every pattern whispers, relax, just keep drawing. Today we are drawing this bird. Okay, to bring calm, focus, and happiness into our sketchbook. So, guys, keep doing.
Everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Wow, guys, our Zentangle art bird is complete, almost complete. So elegant, peaceful, and full of beautiful patterns. If you like this relaxing, beginner friendly drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, calm, and creative art videos. Comment below this. Did this bird make you feel relaxed, and what should we draw next? Giant tangled butterfly, flower, or fish? Until then, keep drawing, keep smiling, and let your creativity fly high. Bye bye. See ya.